Welcome everyone to HueFin. We're also known as HueFin News. Today is the 9th day of June 2021. As you guys can see from our chart, we are going to give you a price prediction in this space for ADA. That's right. We're going to make sure that we get in position so that we can win from the price movement. And if you all have not known, this is your first time ever seeing our video and our content, and you can now actually see someone predict price movement and that you can win. Make sure you follow us, hit the like button, share, and subscribe. Join this community of individuals who are getting in position and dominating this cryptocurrency space. This is what we're all about. Not only that, we're going to look at this article real quick before I get into our price prediction and see, should Ethereum be worried about Cardano? This was posted to the internet about 2 days ago, June the 7th, 2021, written by Lou. All right, so this is Lou's perspective as to should Ethereum be worried about Cardano and the recent anticipated milestones that it has done. So we're just going to see what Lou thinks about this, and then we'll give you all our price prediction in the market in Cardano so that we can ensure that we are in position to win. So I just went through, highlighted some things that I wanted to make commentary on, and then from there I will have the link of this article in the description of the video just in case you guys got some time and you want to read a little bit more about this. All right, so now one of the milestones that Lou goes into in this article is simply the developers of Cardano have announced a rollout plan of Alonzo, the testnet, alongside with the roadmap for that continued improvement. Alonzo is going to be their smart contract platform that is going to be a main feature of Cardano once it's actually implemented on the network, on the blockchain. So these are some of the impressive milestones that Lou tries to identify in this article. The first one is that, well, there are now over 1 million ADA wallets out there in the space. Pretty good milestone. There are also 600,000 staked addresses with a total value of $40 billion staked. Not a bad milestone. There are over 2,500 stake pools currently active, and in terms of subscribers on Reddit, they have about 500,000. Over 500,000. Pretty good. The recent announcement regarding the plans for Cardano indicates August will be the endpoint in terms of Alonzo implementation. So from now until August, the question that we need to address is, okay, once Alonzo comes out, do you think that's going to be a catalyst to increase this price massively in August, before August? Or do you think it's not even going to have any major impact on where Cardano's price is going to go? We'll see all that from the price chart, and you'll see that once we talk about that, once we go into our price prediction, that the market may be actually preparing itself for this type of event. Also, real quick, this is something that Lou mentions on this article in terms of should Vitalik Buterin be worried about ADA, right? And this was during a podcast that he had with Lex Friedman. Vitalik claimed to have been told his former partner has come a long way since their split, which was like in 2014. This is what Vitalik Buterin says, and I quote, "Charles has clearly progressed and matured in a lot of ways. 2021 Charles is very different from the 2014 Charles, and I'm sure 2021 Vitalik is very different from the 2024 Vitalik." Hoskinson, talking about Charles, has asserted that the inbound Ethereum 2.0 will be no match for Cardano. So you can kind of see some competition going on between these two blockchains, and they're trying to spar Charles and Vitalik together in the ring to see which one of these currencies is going to be the best, right? This is the only thing that's going on. I could care less about that. For us, our viewpoint is on the chart. So let's look on this price chart to see if the market is actually preparing itself for that Alonzo implementation around the August timeframe of 2021. So one thing I wanted to talk about and show you all is that the market in Cardano for this week's trading has already confirmed something that each and every one of us need to see. What did it do so far this week? Yes, we've already saw the market come and test the overall trend. That was the prime area to come through and purchase ADA right there. Did you grab that? Did you purchase some of that price? Some ADA tokens at that price around $1.40? Because if so, that would be a great location to buy ADA and continue to ride this ascending line higher in price. Remember that as we go throughout this week into the month of June, as to whether or not Cardano or ADA can maintain that price. Because if we can't hold that ascending line, I'll be the first one to tell you, while everyone else is telling that the market is going to moon in Cardano, this market has to maintain that price alongside that ascending line, right? So let's take a look at the market on a different time frame. Well, first, let me break down our last price prediction, okay? So you can see on our last price prediction in Cardano, we told you all to expect the market to go lower in price, and that is precisely what the trap did. He lowered the value in Cardano right there. Excellent job, right? So around 10.84% profitability was garnered from that prediction about 3 days ago. It's just that simple. So let's take that away. Now, one of the biggest things that I'm really looking forward to is this market in Cardano continuing to show a strength above $1.40, right? We saw that yesterday into the market in Cardano. That was the first indication that we've already confirmed that that is where the support came through. This is where we're seeing the strength come in, okay? Right there around $1.40. It has to be maintained. Right now, we're down 3%, okay? But the volume is lighter than what it was yesterday. So obviously, there's not that much selling going on into the market today in Cardano. This is the 2-day time frame. This is still a probable precursor of strength, meaning the next following 2-day price bar, the market in Cardano has to close above this current 2-day price bar. If we don't, then we are still in line to see the market break that ascending line, period. Now let's look at this on the 3-day time frame. We're still seeing weakness here into the market in Cardano on the 3-day time frame. 5-day. Still seeing weakness here as well. So I don't want to give you all the impression that the market in Cardano is extremely strong, because it's not. The only thing that we've seen that will give us that indication is the fact that the market came and propped up the price on that ascending line. That is the only thing. When we look at these different time frames, we're still seeing indication of weakness come through. And this area right here, we all need to focus in on for Cardano. We're not going to expect a big movement in price in Cardano until we see this market break above $1.80 to $1.85. That area is still holding back the market. So let's look at this on an hourly time frame. I want to see if we're going to continue to get some strength into the market, because right now I'm not seeing any strength come through into the market in Cardano yet. This is the 4-hour time frame. We're still seeing weakness here too, right? The ability, and let me zoom in. I want to show you all this. This is our opportunity right now to see the strength come through in Cardano or ADA right here. Like, we've seen this market hugging and trying to continue to go higher in price, and the weakness is still hitting the market, pushing the price down. Let's look at this on a 11-hour time frame. And again, this market is still giving us weakness here too. We should have seen some continuation of strength on that 11-hour price bar, and we did it. So far, we're not, right? This is the 13-hour time frame, and we're still not seeing it yet. I like the 15-hour time frame. So yeah, what we're going to do on this video, we're going to play the strength into the market in Cardano. But listen, I'm not telling you that the market is going to hit $4 or $5, nothing in that sense of the word. But in the next 3 days, can we see this market in Cardano go higher in price? Yes, we can. But this is how high, okay? So let me show you. That $1.40 needs to be maintained though, okay? We need to see this price in Cardano keep above our ascending line, trade above $1.40 in order for us to allow this market to go higher. Okay, now take a look at this. This is how high I'm looking for the market in ADA to go. That's not even a lot, right? But you can still get 10, almost 11% off the market in that movement. What do you think? Maybe $1.78, $1.80. So let's run that. This is going to be our price prediction into the market in Cardano. Pretty much this prediction that we are garnering will have to be in effect so long as price trades above $1.40, even our ascending line. Okay, so we're playing the strength. Our area TP first is going to be right there around $1.65, which is around 7.5%, all the way back up to around $1.80. And that's it. So now is your turn. I want you all to call the market with us. If you're one of our apprentice members on this channel, you can use those custom emojis to call the market to see where Cardano is going to go or ADA is going to go. Is it a cop? Should we drop it? Is it on fire? Is it a buy? Is it a sell? Are you seeing strength? Are you seeing weakness? Let us know. Make sure you maintain a profitability. And as always, trade different.